No doubt, no pout. Let's figure it out. Welcome back. Let's talk about our second lecture, that is artificial intelligence we have been learning. Okay, let me use laser pointer. Okay, our agenda through this course, that is skill development, hands-on learning, problem solving and critical thinking skills, practical experiences and portfolio building. We want you to achieve all these agendas. We want you to have all these skills: effective present, self presentation, fostering a culture and knowledge sharing, spreading education in your own surrounding. Ask your friend to learn artificial intelligence. That is the most powerful tool of technology of this era, of this world right now. Okay, moving towards next, our expectations from you: active participation and practical experience. Exercise is not taking. We want you to take note. We want you to take note. That will be very much helpful for your career. Practical experiences and portfolio building, knowledge sharing and education spreading. We want you to spread education as much as you can. Ask your surrounding to learn artificial intelligence. That is very much necessary for this generation, for this world right now. Okay, our today's agenda for this lecture. Our agenda is AI concepts and applications, overview of previous discussion, supervised and supervised learning, reinforcement learning, deep learning, relationship between artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning, answers and question. You will comment on our video. We will reply you within 24 hours. What is AI? Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is all about models, tools, APIs, development, modeling, computer vision, and many more. We have very much vast fields in artificial intelligence. Let's talk about get a deep dive in it. Now we have types of artificial intelligence: type 1 and type 2. Type 1, narrow artificial intelligence, general artificial intelligence, strong artificial intelligence, that is also known as super artificial intelligence. Type 2, reactive machines, limited theory, theory of mind, self-awareness. These are not working these days, but these are working these days. Only this type of artificial intelligence is working these days. Only this type of. Let's talk about it. Narrow artificial intelligence. What is narrow artificial intelligence? This is the artificial intelligence that works specifically in the one field, that is very much specific to the task. That is also known as bounded AI, shallow AI. That is the baby of artificial intelligence. You can say that. General artificial intelligence. General artificial intelligence is work with equal to the humans. Super artificial intelligence, that is strong artificial intelligence that will work more powerfully than human beings, that are not have been introduced in this era. We do not know when it will discover, when it will be formed, when it will be invented. We don't, no one knows. Type 2, reactive machines, limited theory, theory of mind, self-awareness. Self-awareness is all about that the machine will self-awarely itself, that that the input is asking me this and that, or we do not need to take get to give the input to the machine. That machine will learn itself. The more powerful machines, we have never thought about that. Theory of mind. In theory of mind, we learn the psychology of the mind and apply that on our machine, that our machine get to know that through the natural processing language, NPL. That is NPL, through NPL, that what the prompt is asking for me, that what is the prompter's feeling right now, to give the more precise and more concise answer to him or her. And now artificial intelligence, I have told you that dedicated to one task, that is more specific. General intelligence perform like human. Super intelligence, intelligent than human, more intelligent than human. Machine learning, it is a subfield of artificial intelligence. It is all about building, training model, giving data to the model, and test the model, verify the model. It's all about modeling. It is a specialized type of AI. Okay, we do have a subfields of machine learning as well: supervised learning, and supervised learning, reinforcement learning, and we do have a more deep dive field, that is deep learning. We will talk about that further. The machine learning. What is machine learning? The question raises here. The process that allow computer to learn without explicitly being programmed. The programming language we use these days, Python, Java, and so on, without machine learning algorithms, we have to code very much deeply, that do this then do this, if the user do that, you should do this, you should do this, you should do this, and if a user do this, and you should do this. But in machine learning we do not need to all give the explicit programs to the program. Machine learning is all about models. Okay. Deep learning, it is the more subfield of machine learning as well. Sorry. Okay. Deep learning does machine learning but with artificial neural networks. What is artificial neural network? This The pattern drawn here is known as artificial neural network, that takes input, then a hidden area works, and the output generates. Let's learn from the example of a company. Okay. When a client comes to the company, gives the input that I want to do you I want you to do this, you do this, you do this, and all this, you give a list of performing tasks. Then the hidden area starts working. Client do not know. Then where my document goes, who read my documents, and who is analyzing the tasks, kind of know. But the hidden area starts working. Then what happened? One output generated, only one output generated. Remember this, only one output generated, and that is given to the client. That's all about machine learning does. Machine learning does Sorry, deep learning does machine learning, but with artificial neural network. That's all our neural network does. Supervised learning is a subfield of machine learning, in which we give machine the labeled data, such as we give a picture of data, but tell machine prior that this is carrot, this is tomato, this is bell pepper. Then model trains, and we ask from to test the model. We use test data, that this is carrot, this is they give a picture once again, and ask model. Then the model answer that this is bell pepper, this is carrot and tomato, and so on. It's all about label data. Supervised learning is all about label data. These are the two types of algorithm we use in supervised learning, that is regression and classification. Regression is all about numeric values, to work on numeric values. Okay. Classification is all about to classify, that is finder from the word as well. Classification is all about to classify the things, such as the email which comes to me, that is a spam or not a spam. This is using supervised learning model. You can see that this is a very much great application of this model, this learning. Okay. Unsupervised learning is all about giving model unlabeled data. Model classifies all the things. We give input to the model. In the sense of this picture, the model classifies that this is one type of first type of picture, this is second type of picture, this is third type of picture. Then we label it. When we have a large amount of data, we cannot label it. When we have very vast amount of data in the fields in the data, we cannot measure it, we cannot label it. Then we give machine to do that task. Then we label it apple, then we label it guava, then we label it orange easily. A few applications of unsupervised learning, that is clustering, dimensional reduction, anomaly detection. That is what unsupervised learning did with this picture, and gets and this as an answer. Okay. I'm doing with the slides. Okay. Reinforcement learning is all about environment, agent, state, reward. Three things: environment, agent, state, and reward. Let's learn about this. When the agent act on the environment, agent, what I and you, when we act on the environment. We act on the environment. What environment is the machine that is using a reinforcement learning algorithm. When we act on the reinforcement learning algorithm, then the reward goes to the agent and the state goes to the agent. Then it verifies that whether I did the answer properly from the reward. The reward means, as we rate the applications, I had told you in the prior video, in the last video, talked it about. Okay, now, relationship between artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning. That is very much easy to understand from this pictorial infographic picture. Look, take a screenshot of it. That will be highly usable for you. Okay, our last slide for today, that is roadmap for AI developer. Programming, data science knowledge, machine learning, engineering, communication. Start by building small projects, contribute to open source project, attend meetups and seminars, webinars, read books. Programming languages that we need in okay, that is learnable. Okay, that is readable. Sorry, programming languages that we use in artificial intelligence, that is Python or Java. You must have to learn the Python or Java. We will learn Python in our upcoming classes, but you should have to have a great grip on that. Data science knowledge, you need to able to collect and clean and analyze data. We will learn in this course. Machine learning, we will learn in this course how to how to build and train models and how to work on that. Software engineering, we will learn on this in this playlist. Stay connected with us. Go in the channels about and connect with our WhatsApp community. We will learn there. We will share groups, share courses there to learn freely on that. Communication, you need to communicate effectively your ideas with the technical and non-technical persons. Start by building small projects. We will build small projects here in these classes. I will let you know how to work on small projects and I will help you out. Attend conferences and meetup. This is the great state trends network and other developers. There is standing meetups with the professional persons. Let you know that how is the world doing these days. Read books and artificial articles about AI. That is a great way to learn theoretical foundational AI. Read books and articles about artificial intelligence. This is a great way to let you know that how is the world doing these days. Thank you. Stay connected with us. We will come up with a new video again, inshallah.